Greetings smartwatch fans! Ito meron tayo ditong bagong smartwatch from the company Aulon Wafit. Ang Wafit Watch S12 Plus. Isang budget-friendly na smartwatch na loaded ng iba't ibang features. Kung napapansin nyo dito, meron tayo ditong 24-hour heart rate and merong lightweight design. Okay? Wafit Smartwatch Sport Health Data Monitoring. At sa video nito, aalamin natin yung design. Kasama ni rin yung specs. Meron ba tayong specs dito? And of course, titingnan din natin yung features na loaded sa smartwatch nito. So kung balak nyong bumili ng Wafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so start tayo. Tingnan na natin ang Wafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. So kung balak nyong bumili, panoorin nyo muna yung video na ito. So ito yung packaging nating smartwatch. The same din sa previous Wafit smartwatches at Aulon. Simple lang, compact. May preview kagad ng design ng smartwatch natin dito. Meron tayo ditong specs, features sa likod, at specs din dito sa, or features dito sa gilid, at specs dito sa likod. So, simple lang. Pogo pin pa rin yung charger ng smartwatch na ito. Tingnan na nga natin kung napasok ko dito. So, ito yung user manual natin. And ito yung charging cable. Okay, Pogo pin, USB Type A. So, ito yung user manual natin. Simple lang. May English naman at translated din sa ibang language. Okay? Yung sa smartwatch natin, ito yung smartwatch natin. Lightweight. Plastic body frame. Curved corner. Kasama nila yung sa edge dito. So, hindi to flat. Okay. So, rounded, brush finish. Merong crown button tayo dito, pero hindi rotary. Flexible silicone strap. Ganun pa rin, merong quick release pin for easy replacement. And steel buckle. So, simple lang. Minimalist ang design. Lightweight, napakagaan. And seems okay naman. Parang durable naman yung smartwatch. And of course, IP67 rated or IP68. Ito. Dust and water resistance. Pero if I were you, di ko gagamitin to pang swimming. Mga daily activities lang, okay na. Wide screen display. Tingnan nga natin, yan. So, simple lang, unisex ang design. And may lightweight na body frame. Okay. Again, ito yung smartwatch natin. Plastic back cover, pati na rin yung middle frame, plastic din. Merong rotary crown button or may circular crown button dito. Pero hindi rotary. Okay. Power on and off lang. So, sa features and specs, sabi ko nga kanina, meron siyang 2.04 inch IPS LCD screen. Okay, so medyo malaki-laki yung screen. Merong 24-hour heart rate monitoring, IP68 dust and water resistant rating. Borderless display. Tingnan nyo natin, borderless ba? Change natin. Okay, hindi naman borderless. Okay, ganun pa rin. May black. Okay, bezel dito o border. Lalo na yung sa baba. Medyo makapal. Yung pinagsasabi dito na borderless display. Okay, pero okay na rin. Wide pa rin naman yung screen display. Then, okay, yung version ng Bluetooth natin, 5.4. So, stable na to and mas mabilis. IP68. May iba pa bang details dito? Wala na. Ito yung QR code natin. Yung color natin is black. Dito sa gilid, ano yung mga features dito? Meron tayong weather forecast, multi-sports mode, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, at merong push notification, and sleep monitoring din. Okay, so yan yung features and specs ng ating Wafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. Okay, again, tingnan natin yung design. So sa features, loaded features, tingnan natin. So mayroon tayong Bluetooth call na may support sa contacts, call logs at keypad. Meron tayong daily activity tracking. So, ano nga ba yung monitor? May calories, distance, at steps. May graph din pala, oh. Okay. Steps this week. So, may average din. 7-day average. Merong heart rate monitoring. May stress monitoring. May workout din. Tingnan natin hanggang ilan yung workout. May different categories ba o limited lang? Okay, limited lang. So, tingnan natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Mga ganon siguro. 20 plus. Okay. Yung number of sports functions. Meron ding blood oxygen monitoring. Okay. Sana yung position ng blood oxygen monitoring after heart rate. Okay. Meron ding sleep monitoring. Walang sequence. Okay. Parang random lang pagkakalagay ng menu. Merong music control. May weather report. May alarm. Breathing exercises. Meron din. Notification. Voice assistant. Toolbox. Okay. The usual. Meron tayong stopwatch. Timer, find phone, flashlight, remote shutter, calculator, at calendar meron din. Okay, kompleto naman. Tingnan nga natin yung sa calculator. Okay. Calendar, okay din. Flashlight, okay din. Then, what else? May SOS. Okay, sa settings, meron tayong watch face and theme. Dalawa yung menu options natin dito. List at honeycomb. Change watch face, meron din. Brightness. Okay rin naman yung brightness. Display duration. Tingnan natin. 30 seconds. Try natin. Oops, ba't bumalik sa 60? Yan, check. Okay. Rise to wake or raise to wake. Activate natin. Do not disturb. Select language. May Tagalog ba or Filipino? Check natin. Okay, parang may Vietnam dito at Indonesia. Filipino, wala. So, lang option. Okay. May QR code ng support app. So, pag nawala nyo yung box or yung user manual, meron tayo dito sa smartwatch mismo. System, restart, power off, at reset. And meron tayong about section. Device name, Wafit S12 Plus. Okay, so ito yung mga features ng ating Wafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Very affordable smartwatch at loaded ng basic at advanced features. Okay, meron ba tayong AI voice? Medyo hindi ko napansin. Okay, meron tayong voice assistant. Okay, so working naman. Meron tayo dito. Okay, affordable, lightweight, minimalist smartwatch. Ang Wafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Okay ba yung smartwatch? Or, mas prefer nyo yung ibang model ng Wafit smartwatches? So, drop lang ng comment. And of course, support nyo yung channel natin. Like, share, at mag-subscribe sa nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV.